Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Coco and Mom, and today I am here with another healthy yet exotic recipe of shakshuka. So shakshuka is a popular dish across Israel and Middle Eastern countries, and traditionally this dish is made with use of poached eggs, but today we are going to make a vegan version of it. Shakshuka might sound quite a fancy dish, but this is really simple and easy recipe which you can make with easily available ingredients at home. So let's begin. So let's start with heating up a pan, and I'm adding some olive oil into it, some garlic cloves, grated ginger, green chilies. Just mix it well, and now goes in finely chopped onions to it. We saute it well till the onion turns translucent in color. Adding finely chopped capsicum to it. Just give it a gentle mix and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. You may also add here red or yellow bell pepper, as shakshuka is traditionally made with use of red bell pepper. Now here goes in some chopped tomatoes. We mix it well, and now it's time for the dry spices. So here goes in my garlic salt, oregano, mixed herbs like thyme and rosemary. That's optional, but it definitely adds a great flavor. Chili paprika or red chili powder. Give a gentle mix so that the flavor of spices blend into the veggies. And now we add our fresh tomato puree into this. So I've made this fresh tomato puree by churning around 5 tomatoes in my mixer jar. So you can even use a store-bought tomato puree here. Goes in some chili flakes. Just mix it well, cover it, and let it cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. Let's start with making our mock eggs, for which I have taken around half cup of chickpea flour and adding this vegan dip called sriracha into this. You can use any mayonnaise of your choice, and now goes in spices like salt, cumin seed powder, and we mix it slowly with around 1 cup of water. Ensure that the batter is completely lump free and it should not be either too thick or too runny. Now let's check our shakshuka, and it tastes like it needs a little more salt and some sugar. Mix it once again, and now it's time to add our mock egg into this. So I'm creating some space in between the veggies, and I'm gently adding a spoonful of batter in between. Just like this. And we'll create 2 more mock eggs in the same way. You might even add 1 or 2 mock eggs if you like, but I don't want to overload it. Now sprinkle some vegan cheese on top of these mock eggs, or you can even use cheese slice. Cover it and let it cook for about 7 minutes. 7 minutes are over, and now let's check our shakshuka. You can touch the mock eggs, and if it doesn't stick to your finger, it's done. And lastly, we garnish our shakshuka with coriander leaves. And now it's ready to be served. We carefully lift the portion with the mock egg in a serving plate and top it up with the rest of the gravy and serve it with some toasted bread. And your delicious vegan shakshuka is ready. So guys, as you all saw, on the skillet this recipe just needs 20 minutes to get ready, and you can serve your shakshuka either for brunch or dinner and serve it with toasted bread or even pita bread. And trust me guys, you're gonna relish this simple and delicious recipe of shakshuka. So please do give this vegan shakshuka recipe a try, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Coco and Mom and share your pictures on my Insta handle. Till then, happy cooking. Bye.